way to the first turn. Pro class is what we're running now. Pro class. I believe our last run for pro class of the day. Ryan Hoba now in the 65 Chevrolet, our leader. Will Wood this break, 65 vet, making his way around that track. Our champion, his best time so far, 58.192. Ryan Hoba out of San Ramon, California. Final few turns in the 65 Corvette. 364 cubic inches underneath the hood of that Corvette. Stopping the clocks this time, a 59.254. 59.254. 59.25. Not his best strong run. Mike Meyer now. Mike Meyer Incorporated 66 Ford Mustang Coupe. Mike Meyer Incorporated out of Livermore, California. No stranger to racing, the Meyer family. Here we go. Mike Meyer's best time of the weekend so far, 59.040. 59.040 for Mike Meyer in the 66 Mustang Coupe, which belongs to his wife, by the way. Looking really strong, looking to beat that time. Mike Meyer now. Randy Phillips up next in her 72 C10 pickup. Hoba still our leader in pro. 66 Mustang, Mike Meyer behind the wheel now. Final lap, looking to better his time. Will he do it? Let's see, we'll know shortly. Third place so far. Mike is in third place in the Mustang. Final turn. 59.448. 59.448. I do believe that is better. That is better than his best run so far. Is that right? No? No. Not that time. I was incorrect. Randy Phillips up next, 72 C10 Chevrolet pickup. Randy off and running in the 72 Chevrolet. Of the weekend, 65.149. I believe she got that this morning. 65.149. LS1 under the hood, Westminster, California. Randy Phillips now on the course. Pro class is what we're running. Randy Phillips now passing the tower. Final lap in the C10 pickup. Speedway Motors car coming up next. Randy Phillips last few turns. Her best time 65.149 so far. Almost 65.704 that time. 65.704 that time. Al Unser Jr., two-time Indy winner.
Se caga la
Behind the wheel of the 65 Chevrolet Nova Speedway Motors. Here we go.